Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you a diorama that I created for 18 scale action figures, and the episode with the painting of this diorama. Enjoy! Creating this diorama I wanted to get something like a ruined city after the apocalypse or something like that. To do this I need to show the destroyed brick wall of the building and some other destroyed elements from shootings or explosions, and some plants. I also planned to make the diorama compact and easily fit on a desktop or display case. And this is a short episode of the painting process. I made a diorama out of pieces of polystyrene foam. Everything is painted with acrylic paints, and between the brick seams added acrylic putty with the addition of brown paint. Let me know if you want a detailed PDF tutorial on creating this GiJoe. The steps were also planned specifically so that the figures could take interesting poses, on bent legs or sitting. The result is a mini diorama for 1 or 2 or 3 figures. Okay, so thanks for watching and bye for now.